Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget for studying overseas with SunTrust easy tutorial step by step clearly. Understanding your total costs is the first step in budgeting for studying overseas. Research tuition fees for your chosen program and school. Include living expenses such as accommodation, food, and transportation in your calculations. Factor in additional costs like health insurance, textbooks, and supplies. Create a detailed list of all these expenses to have a clear view of what you'll need. Next, explore potential funding sources. Consider scholarships, grants, and financial aid options that may be available to you. Look into student loans as another means of financing your education abroad. Evaluate your current savings and monthly income to see how much you can contribute. Once you have a clear picture of your finances, create a budget plan. Divide your expenses into fixed and variable categories. Fixed expenses are essential costs that don't change, like tuition and rent. Variable expenses can include entertainment, dining out, and travel. Decide how much you'll allocate to each category on a monthly basis. Monitor your spending regularly to ensure you stay within your budget. Use budgeting tools or apps to help track your daily expenses effectively. Make adjustments as needed if you find certain categories exceed your budget. Consider part-time work opportunities while studying overseas. Research local job markets and types of student jobs available. Lastly, prepare for unexpected expenses. Set aside a small buffer in your budget for emergencies or unexpected costs. Following these steps will help you create a realistic budget for your overseas study experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.